Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use the volume profile indicator. And if you want to use this indicator, we go to LuxAlgo.com and then click here on library, go to search indicators, and we search right here for volume profile. Then we click right here on enter. And then if you go down, you see right here a lot of options. Now you have right here a Gaussian volume profile, you have some more, but I'm interested right here in the volume profile maps. So we click right here on see details, and then they have a massive explanation right here for what this indicator does. And if you want to use this, the only possible platform with a free access is TradingView right here. So NinjaTrader is coming soon, MetaTrader 4.5 is coming soon, Thinkorswim is coming soon. But right now, if you want to use this on TradingView, we click right here on get access. This is a little instruction, but I already know how to do it. So you can follow my instructions where we click right now on get access, click right here on use on chart. And then right here, we are here on the chart with a nice volume profile. So if I delete this right here, you will see right here a nice volume on the right. So this is how you can add the volume profile indicator by LuxAlgo. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.